Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a new caravan in our used range, and that of a Sprite Major 6 2012. A fantastically well-spec'd 6-berth family caravan on a single axle. With the way that the caravan side of things is going at the moment, this family caravan certainly won't be around and in stock for long. So a great opportunity to get a really nice caravan for your family to enjoy some of those UK holidays this year. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. So a nice generous size front locker box, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles. You've got your spare wheel located in there. You've got your electric hookup cable and other light items, just ensuring you're being careful and cautious of your nose weight. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got the Major 6 logo and the blue decal going all the way down the side, with your windows over your kitchen area and the rear bunk area, and a side access hatch to underneath the bunks at the back. This caravan's got a PowerTouch Classic motor mover already fitted to the caravan, which is remaining on there, so certainly saves you any further expense. Stepping inside, you've got part of the heating system located there, and you can see already down a full set of carpets supplied with this caravan. High quality of finish on the fabric scheme. You can see that it's been extremely well looked after by the previous owners. The step there coming with the caravan as well. Generous size front chest area with short pull-out table and storage compartments. You've got a television point located down the front there with two 40-volt sockets and also some of your heating controls. One of the other great features in this caravan is the ample amount of storage and various lockers located all throughout the caravan. A medium-sized Hecky light at the front, creating a great feeling of space in this dining area that you can utilise at the front. Your main command centre located above the habitation door. So turning round, you can see the generous size side dinette area here. And these fixings that you see here are to convert this up into a bunk. So you can make your bunk beds up here. Privacy curtain going all the way around, which is currently just positioned on the seat there. Generous sized kitchen area with a medium under counter fridge. As we go to a 3 gas hob burner, and also combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Nice large sink, and again, further storage located above the kitchen area. Then towards the back right hand side here, we've got your fixed bunks. So your ladder is for this side dinette bunks, and the support boards are for that bunk area as well. You've got a generous sized wardrobe located at the back of the caravan there. Stepping into a very generous and large shower cubicle. Individual sink and also individual Thetford toilet. So this caravan certainly does appeal to a family. 6 berths, great, fantastic layout, works really well, a nice flow from front to back. If you've got any queries or questions about this caravan, please feel free to get in contact with us. We are available on the phone and online. Unfortunately, not in a position at the moment to take viewings, but hopefully this will change. But we do have the ability, should you wish, to take you on a live one-to-one personal tour with one of our sales executives. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.